Hi, my name's John. I'm branch manager here at Upperdale Road. I've been with Eden Tyres for 13 years and I've been manager since 2023. We have a team of 6 working at our garage. That includes 3 really well experienced mechanics. Dave, my assistant manager, is a highly skilled mechanic with over 27 years of experience, both repairing and servicing. He's joined by Kevin and Agar, who have 50 years of experience between them. The other 3 are made up of our expert tyre fitters. Mark, our senior tyre fitter, has been here over 32 years and has recently been joined by Jerry from the US, who's been fitting tyres for over 10 years. And lastly, Phil, who fits tyres, but is also our wheel alignment expert. Although from the outside, the branch looks quite similar to when it opened back in 1981. On the inside, our equipment and technology has been brought into the modern era. We got brand new lifts, state-of-the-art Hunter alignment, as well as the latest tyre fitting machinery. We are very proud to be a part of the Castrol service network. This means we have facilities to service vehicles to a very high standard, using manufacturer-approved quality parts, which protects the vehicle's warranty. So there you have it. That's us. If you have any questions or want to make a booking, pop into the branch, make a booking online, or give us a call in store. Thanks a lot.